Welcome back everybody to this week's video. So today we have a piece of ash on the lathe and we are going to make a cauldron from it. So the first tool we are using here is the mid-size finisher from Easy Wood Tools, and we're going to start by taking it to round. And now we're going round the bottom, kind of getting a bowl shape. And now we're going to move around the sides and get the cauldron shape. There we go, just flattening out the rim. And there you go. Move that tool rest. Alright, so now we are just going to mark out for a mortise. And now we're going to make it. The first one is the mid-sized detailer. The rougher to clear it all out. And back to the detailer so it matches the angles of the jaws in the chuck. And there you go. Alright, we're going to do a bit of sanding now. So this is 240 grit from Klingspor Abrasives. There you go. I'm going to clean that grain with some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. Alright, so now we're going to add some Ebonising Lacquer. I'm going to leave the lathe spinning until that dries off. And there you go. And rather than keeping this cauldron black, we're going to add some paints from the Jo Sonja range. These are the iridescent ones. So they go on white, but once they're all dried out, they'll become the colours that you see. So these ones are the green and the purple. So you put these iridescents onto a black background to get the full effect. There you go, as you can see, they've dried out, but we're going to dry it a little bit more with some heat. There you go. Here's some sanding sealer. Kind of seal them paints in. There you go. And now we're going to get ready to hollow it out. So the first tool we're going to use is the mid-size rougher, just to flatten the top off. And now on to my favourite tool, the #1 hollower. If you'd like to get your hands on a #1 hollower or any one of the other EasyWood tools that I use in this video, or maybe some of the cutters, there are links down below. There you go, you can probably see why right here as to why it's my favourite tool. Hot knife through butter comes to mind. There you go. Checking the wall thickness with the old finger calipers. There you go, move that tool rest and do a little bit more sanding. Clear that dust out with a bit of a brush. And some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol just to clean the grain. Get a sanding sealer. And some Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste. There will also be links to this down below. You wipe this all over till you have a clean paper towel and you have the equivalent around about 1,000 grit. And some Hampshire Sheen finishing wax. You wipe this all over, make sure you get nice even coverage, turn the lathe up to about 1,000 to 1,200 and buff it in. Just build up that heat, be careful not to push too hard, you want to wipe off any wax that you just put on. I know I'm a couple of days late after Halloween posting this, so I hope you all had a good one. So with that being said, here are some pictures. I'd like to thank everybody for watching this video. Please don't forget, hit that thumbs up, click the subscribe button, show your friends, show your family, show your enemies if you like. And if you want to see any more of my videos, click them links on the right hand side. And until next week, I'll see you then. Bye bye for now.